has a very solid construction with no flex to it, which is a great sign of its durability. Now the bottom of the stand has little rubber feet that grip onto the surface and prevent it from moving, which is an essential feature of any stand. You have silicone pads in each holder as well as the center, which prevent the aluminum from scratching your device. Placing the phone is obviously super easy. When using it in portrait mode, it is great for looking at notifications and even texting because the stand does not move or wobble. You can also place your iPhone in landscape mode for movies and video, since the stand holds it at a good viewing angle. So this accessory is not only good for your workspace, but also if you want to use it for watching video while eating, for example, it can work for that as well. Really, the only downside for some will be the cable management. For me, it's not a big deal, but some may find it tedious to have to grab the cable and plug it in every time. But then again, this is supposed to be a stand and not a charging dock. But overall, this is a great accessory to display your device. If you do a lot of Periscope, Skype, or FaceTime, I think this is a must to prop up your phone. It is also great for glancing at notifications. It avoids having to interrupt your workflow to lift up your device every time you get a new message.